This year, competition in the foldable niche is set to ramp up as numerous firms release their newest foldable offerings. In the case of Samsung, the South Korean company is slated to release the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 this year. The firm has not made an official statement about the device's release date, but they have a track record of adhering to launch dates. As proof, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 debuted in August 2021, and the Galaxy Z Fold 4 debuted in August 2022. This year, the corporation is likely to maintain the pattern. This suggests that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might be released in August 2023, concurrently with the Galaxy Z Flip 5. There is no clear information about the device's specs that has leaked. The newspaper, on the other hand, has made informed estimates about what the foldable tablet may provide. Given that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is outfitted with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU and 12GB of RAM, the forthcoming Fold 5 is expected to operate on the as-yet unreleased Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 chipset. It is also predicted that the future smartphone would contain at least 12GB of RAM. Storage choices will most likely be 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, exactly like its predecessor. The new smartphone is projected to feature a battery capacity that is at least equal to or more than that of the previous model, which had a 4,400 mAh battery or bigger. The smartphone is expected to offer the same 25-watt fast charging capabilities, which can completely charge the battery in 1 hour and 30 minutes, as well as the same 15-watt wireless charging capability. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely use the same camera setup as the Galaxy S23. A 50-megapixel primary sensor, f/1.7 aperture, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, f/2.2 aperture, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor, f/2.4 aperture, are included in the triple rear camera arrangement. However, other rumors suggest that the Fold 5 would include a 108-megapixel primary camera, the same as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. What are your ideas, Denali? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.